You ever look back at someone you once fell for and think, seriously, was I under some kind of emotional spell or just bored? Because honestly, most of us have fallen for the wrong people at least once in our lives, and the reasons are both hilarious and painfully relatable. We don't fall for the wrong person because we're stupid. We fall because our hearts tend to ignore logic like it's an optional feature, and our brains take sudden vacations when emotions enter the chat. But somehow we convince ourselves they're just Christmas lights. We don't even fall for who the person actually is. We fall for their potential, their imaginary best version, the one we created in our heads like a fantasy character who absolutely does not exist in real life. It's like buying a broken scooter and saying, don't worry, I'll turn this into a Ferrari someday. And sometimes chaos feels familiar. If you grew up around uncertainty or drama, then peace might feel weird. And a person who's calm, consistent, and emotionally available ends up looking suspicious. Meanwhile, the human tornado who texts you once every 3 business days somehow feels exciting. We also confuse intensity with love. The fast replies, the butterflies, the overthinking, the anxiety disguised as passion. And suddenly we're calling emotional turbulence chemistry. Then there's the classic wanting what we can't have. The more someone pulls away, the more our ego whispers, challenge accepted, and we start chasing their attention like it's a limited edition item going out of stock. Add loneliness to the mix, and even the bare minimum feels like affection. Someone texts good morning once, and we're ready to write a Bollywood love story about it. We start celebrating basic human decency like it's premium VIP treatment. And honestly, sometimes we fall for the wrong people because deep inside, we don't think we deserve better. We settle for crumbs because we don't trust that we can have the whole cake. We hold on to people longer than we should. We make excuses for behavior we tell our friends to run away from. And we call inconsistency complicated feelings when it's actually just emotional laziness. The funniest part? Wrong people often seem perfect at first. They know how to charm, how to say the right thing, how to shower attention before slowly disappearing like a Wi-Fi signal during a storm. But eventually the mask falls off and we realize we weren't in love with a person. We were in love with an illusion. Yet all these messy experiences teach us something. That love isn't supposed to feel like confusion, stress, or guessing game. Real love is calm, steady, and clear. The right person won't play hide and seek with your emotions. And one day when someone actually shows up consistently, treats you with respect, communicates without games, and makes you feel safe instead of anxious, you'll look back at your wrong person era and laugh, wondering why you ever accepted so little. But that's the beauty of it. Falling for the wrong person isn't a failure. It's a lesson that shapes us, strengthens us, and prepares us to finally recognize the right one when they arrive. And if you want it even longer, simpler, more emotional, or more funny, just tell me.